Dr. Sanjay Chuk from Escorts New Delhi. I think this is a great initiative. The Queen of Heart. Basically, there's a rising incidence of heart attacks and heart disease in women, and that's because of the attrition of protection that they have from high HDL and the estrogen. That's on account of various other factors that have now come in, including rising incidence of smoking and the usual stresses of life, including rising lipids, high blood pressure, and other factors. And so, often neglected, but needs due attention. So, I think this is a great initiative to bring into focus that even women have a high incidence of heart disease and heart attacks, and therefore need care, and we need to prevent.
So you think they are ignored so far about heart disease?
Basically, there's been a complacency because people think that women don't get heart attacks, and so the symptoms are ignored, the awareness is low, and people don't normally take enough precautions in controlling their own risk factors just because they're women. But with the rising incidence, I think more and more ladies are getting aware that it's important to control the risk factors and not get into difficulty with heart attacks.
So do you think like there is this mindset of gender biasness is also somehow playing any role in terms of negligence of women in heart disease?
I think it's cultural. In India, it's cultural. The lady of the house, the mother, eats in the end, and usually neglects herself. And I think that applies to their taking care of themselves is automatically relegated to the last priority. So it's partly cultural on the part of the women, and I think families actually perpetuate this kind of a cultural thing. So they often do get neglected.